US market has entered the overbought zone. So when will we expect there is a pullback? Today, I will give you the insights from the chart and also how to sell at the peak strategy. This is a complete strategy. Welcome to ymchannel. If you want to learn trading, how to make money, this is the channel for you. We provide free education information on this video. Click like, subscribe, and share with a friend. And we don't promote any stock coins, we don't recommend any trade. We are here just for education purpose. Now we look at S&P 500. So basically, this is a weekly chart. When we look at this, if you see, this one is a yellow candle. This is an overbought candle. And when the yellow disappear, they drop below this YM club fast. This is our sell signal. It's a combo for weekly chart. Boom, sell. Okay. And also you can see the red line is turning the direction. Now, where are we now? We don't have the yellow signal yet, but we are approaching the previous peak. Remember, when we go across this peak, we just have a slowing down and we go ahead. We did not have a pullback. So now can we do the same? Like continuously? Remember, we have already been up for 8-week long stop. Okay, so next week will be the 9th week. So it's quite critical because if you look at our history, this is a where is it possible? Yes, it is possible. But here, for example, here they have a pullback, like they hit the previous peak, they pull back, they go ahead, they did not stop, they go ahead, they hit another peak, they stop, they pull back, they flash a yellow candle, they drop below this red line, they drop. Okay, and it is quite, this is a weekly chart. So when they drop, when they have a pullback with the yellow candle, it could last for many weeks like this. Okay, the good thing is we don't have a yellow candle. Okay, we don't have a yellow candle. But the bad thing is, it's not bad, it's quite healthy, I would say. We are hitting the previous peak very soon. I would say next week, actually, with one more candle on weekly chart. So around next week, around Christmas time, okay? So right now, what is your strategy? If you don't have the stock, maybe you better to observe because remember the risk reward level, right? So now the risk is quite high. It's possible we have a pullback, and the reward is quite small right now. Okay, so you need to remember we buy low, sell high. So this is not our buying point. Okay, so at least we need to wait to see when is the signal. Now we are in between. We don't trade. We don't need to trade every single day. Number one. Number two is when we look at the daily chart, we also have the yellow candles. Yellow candle. When yellow candle disappear, they drop below this yellow candle. This is a selling signal. Okay, and we better to combine with our YM club fast also. Okay, so it's better to tell you better. Okay, you can also see here. So when they drop below both lines, this is a sold signal. Okay, the good thing is both are going up for YM club fast, YM club long. So this is a very good sign. But just remember, if you don't have any stock, I prefer you to observe right now. Don't do any action. If you have stock, check do you have an overbought signal, or check if you are approaching to any resistance line, for example, the previous peak. Okay, use your method to check the resistance. This is a very good method to do the trade. So this is, let me repeat. When we have a yellow candle, how to sell? When the yellow candle disappear, they drop below the last yellow candle. This is one of our sell signal. To confirm the signal, you can use the red line or blue line. Okay, the red is faster than the blue, so it depends on your strategy. Okay, so another thing is look at the weekly chart. If both weekly, daily, both have yellow, you need to be cautious. This is double high. This is like a double high. If you have monthly chart, weekly chart, daily chart, free chart have yellow signal, this is a very, very high price zone. I would say very high price zone. Another thing I want to teach you is the purple signal. The purple is oversold zone. Oversold, what does it mean, oversold? Oversold means people keep selling. Emotion is our money killer. So when people keep selling, this is our time to buy. But we need some confirmation. When the purple disappear, when the candle go above this purple, this is our buy signal. So when you buy and you see the red also confirming by change the direction. Okay. The thing is when we go above this blue, okay, when we go above this blue, it could go all the way up or it could go down again, depends on the blue direction. So if you go above, the blue is still downward. So you need to be cautious, okay? And they drop below the blue again, you sell. So you buy here, sell here, you can still make profit. But remember, the blue line is very important, called YM Club Long. Basically can tell you the trend. Anything you always need to follow the trend, okay? You need to swim like a fish. You need to, because we are small fish in the stock market. You need to follow the trend, okay? So another thing is, so next week, I would suggest that we have a pullback, most likely, since we don't have a pullback here. So is it possible to go all the way up and come back? Yes, also possible, but very slim chance. So I would say this resistance is quite important zone because of the time and also our price is already hitting the limit. Okay, you need to take a break. Or is it possible to go up? Yes, like 10 or 20% chance to go up and then we'll come back again. Okay, so this is the update for S&P 500. And for your selling strategy, look at the weekly chart or daily chart, the yellow candle or any overbought, oversold signal, you can use it. And if the yellow signal disappear, match with this YM Club Fast 21 and you sell it. You are basically selling at the peak. Okay, this is a weekly chart. You're selling here at the peak. Remember, we buy low, sell high. So we buy around the bottom zone, which is the purple area, and we sell when the yellow area disappear. Okay, so this is the update today. If you want to subscribe to this indicator, you can click the link below, and you can also subscribe it or join my course. And if you join my course, you will have 1 year free for this subscription. And this is a very good strategy to learn how to buy, how to sell easily, or you just subscribe to this indicator directly. And in my course, you will have few more different strategies. Some strategy you don't need to have my indicator, but I like to pair the indicator together to confirm the signal. Okay, so I should see you in the next video, everyone, and I wish you guys have a happy Merry Christmas, and I see you in the next video. See you, bye.